How to connect Uniswap to Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you could connect the Uniswap to the Trust Wallet. For this, you have to open the Uniswap by launching the Uniswap in your web browser. You can click on the Connect button in the top right corner, then select the Wallet Connect in the Wallet option by choosing the Wallet Connect. This method will allow you to connect the various wallets, including the Trust Wallet. Now you can scan the QR code with the Trust Wallet by opening the Trust Wallet on your mobile device, navigate to the settings and then to the Wallet Connect, tapping on Scan to Connect and point your camera at the QR code displayed on the Uniswap website. This way, the Trust Wallet will display a Connect to Uniswap interface prompt, and then tapping Connect to establish the connection between the Uniswap and the Trust Wallet. You can use Uniswap's decentralized trading features directly from your Trust Wallet. Swap tokens provide liquidity and manage your DeFi activities seamlessly. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.